Hi guys, Jenny here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to show you how to make chocolate strawberry cupcakes, perfect for Valentine's Day. So without further ado, let's start baking. The first thing we'll do is the chocolate cupcakes. We start off by combining all the dry ingredients, and that's going to be the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. And then just give that a good whisk until they're all well combined, and then we can set this off to the side. In another bowl, combine all your wet ingredients, and that's going to be the buttermilk, coffee, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, and egg. Give that a good whisk until they're all well combined, and then we can dump in all the dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients. Give your batter a good whisk until most lumps disappear, and that's practically your chocolate cupcake batter. How easy is that? Now we need to distribute this batter into 12 whole cupcake tins, about 3/4 of the way full, and then we will bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven. You can test it with the skewer. If it comes out clean, you know it's done. When the cupcakes come out of the oven, give them plenty of time to cool before you frost them. You really want to make them cool before you frost them, otherwise it's just gonna be a giant mess. And you really don't want that, do you? So while the cupcakes are baking, let me show you how to make the strawberry cheesecake frosting. In a big bowl, just dump in your room temperature butter and cream cheese. Again, they have to be at room temperature. And then using an electric hand mixer or a stand mixer, beat them until they're all well combined. Now that's looking good, we can now add in our strawberry preserves. You want those thick strawberry preserves and not the liquidy ones, and that is really to avoid your frosting from being too runny. Continue beating until they're all well combined, and then add in your powdered sugar. Start your mixer on low to avoid getting powdered sugar everywhere. So if you find that the video got a little dark, it's because it started getting darker outside. I thought it was gonna rain, and I really don't have those big lights to fix the situation, so we'll just have to continue. Now I added a few drops of that pink food gel. I started with 2 and then added 2 more later on. If you find that your frosting is too runny, you can add a little bit more of powdered sugar, or it could also be because of the temperature. Sometimes if it's too hot, your frosting can get a little runny. That's what happened here. So I just popped my frosting in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and that solved the issue. If it doesn't, you may need to add a little bit more of that powdered sugar. Now we are ready to frost the cupcakes. I'm just using a plain round nozzle to do this, and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of that red and white heart sprinkles on top, because why not? It's Valentine's, and that's my chocolate strawberry cupcakes. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Look me up by searching Treats by Jenny, but I also have the links in the description down below. Thanks for watching! I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!